As a trader, if you want to go for option buying or selling or simply buying or selling a stock or in futures, the basic thing you should first understand, that is the trend of the market. Means you should able to predict whether market will go up or down, and that you can predict by using candlestick chart. So hello everyone, this is Professor Er.Varsha Jadhav, and in today's video I am going to cover bearish reversal pattern. Bullish reversal pattern I already covered in my last video and the link is given in the description. If you want to join our classes to learn share market from basic to advanced, just WhatsApp on the number below mentioned in the description. So let's start with the video, bearish reversal pattern. So first understand what is bearish reversal, what is the meaning of bearish reversal. Bearish reversal means uptrend is going on and at the top you can find some candles which indicate that the trend is going to reverse. Let's take this example. This is current example of 21st April of Nifty 50. Nifty was in uptrend by making the base or the W pattern, and at the top you can find some signal of this candle, and now the trend is reverse. So just tell me in comment that which symbol is this, and the hint is there in video, so watch the video till end. So let's start with our first type, bearish engulfing candlestick. Bearish engulfing candlestick means uptrend is going on and at the top you are having one small bullish candle or green candle, and the next you are having big red candle which opens quite up than the previous bullish candle, but it closes below than the previous closing price, or sorry, previous opening price of the bullish candle. So this red candle totally covers this bullish candle, so that is called as the engulfing. When this big red candle covers the previous green candle, it indicates the selling pressure in the market. So when at the top if you find this kind of pattern, then that is the signal that the trend is going to be reversed. So if you are in buying position, then you should book your profit, or you can start your selling position by keeping the stop loss at the top. This is multi-candlestick pattern which is formed by the two candles. So let's see the example. This the Nifty is in uptrend, and at the top we are having the sign. This green candle is totally covered by this red candle. So trend is reverse and it proceeds with the downtrend. Next, hanging man pattern and shooting star pattern. In hanging man pattern we are having this real body is very small and almost no upper wick and very large downside wick. This downside wick length is quite 2 times more than the real body of the candle. This can be green or red, but as we are going for the reversal pattern, so red is more powerful. Similarly, the shooting star pattern is exactly inverse of this hanging man pattern, in which you are having the real bodies at the bottom, almost no wick at the bottom and very large wick at the top, and this length of the large wick is almost 2 times more than the real body of the candle. Again, this can be green or red. Let's see the example of hanging man pattern. Nifty is in uptrend and at the top we are having this hammer. This is again we are having the shooting star, then hammer, and the trend is reverse, right? Let's see one more example for Nifty. At uptrend we are having shooting star at the top and then it continues with the downtrend. Again we are having the shooting star, it shows the continuation of the pattern. Doji, again continuation of the pattern, and Nifty continues its downtrend. So when we are having such signal at the top, and if you are able to understand the pattern or able to understand the chart, then you will just go in the long position. Next, evening star pattern. Evening star pattern, the uptrend is going on, and after the bullish green candle we are having the doji at the top. Doji means opening price and closing price are close to each other and they are having the comparatively larger wick. This doji indicates the indecision in the market, means market cannot decide whether it has to go for up or down. Then after this sign we are having big red candle. It shows the selling pressure in the market. So this is multi-candlestick pattern formed by the three candles, and when this signal is formed at the top, then it indicates that the trend is going to reverse. So let's see the example for evening star pattern. This is the example of Nifty. Again from the bottom Nifty is going up, uptrend is going on, and at the top we are having this pattern, bullish candle, then again doji, and after that we are having big red candle. So when this pattern formed at the top, we can start selling and it goes down. Next, black Marubozu pattern. Marubozu is again Japanese name. It shows the strength in the market. So it shows the selling strength in the market. Why black? Because previously black was used for selling. Now it is used red for the selling. So the specification of Marubozu candle is big red candle having no or almost very small wick. So let's see the example. Nifty is in uptrend and at the top we are having big Marubozu candle. So it indicates the selling pressure. So then the trend is reverse. Next, bearish harami pattern means uptrend is going on, and after the big green candle we are having small red candle, and this big green candle covers this red candle. And after this bearish harami pattern, again we are having the red candle which gives the confirmation of this bearish harami candle. This is multi-candlestick pattern formed by the two candles. So when this pattern formed at the top, it indicates that now the trend is going to reverse. So let's see the example. Nifty is in uptrend. At the top we are having this bearish harami pattern, green candle, then after that small red candle, and the market stable for some time and the downtrend continues. So here we covered all important candlestick pattern that every trader should know before trading. So I hope this video is helpful for a beginner if you want to learn candlestick pattern. So if you like this video, click like, share and do subscribe this channel. Thank you.